Hey Google, turn on living fan.
Okay, turning on the living.
Hi, I'm Roland and this is my wife Fionn.
Hi, I'm Edmund from Chapter 30 Interior Design and I'm the ID of this home.
I've always wanted a simple and minimalistic design themed home. And when I bought this home, I found the space to be extremely spacious, and therefore I feel that a simple and minimalistic design will help the home to become more pronounced and the way that I wanted it to be. I was searching for a list of IDs to work with on Renopedia, and after shortlisting about 5 or 6 ID, I managed to speak to Edmund Goh from Chapter 13, and we found him to be prompt, responsive, and his design is the way that we want it to be. The smart feature of the entire house. Right now, from the comforts of my sofa seat or even in bed or when I'm remotely somewhere else, I'm able to control the entire home, either using Siri or even Google. Hey Google, turn on dining. The next one would be my walk-in wardrobe. My wife has been looking forward to a full room of cabinets, and this round I'm finally able to provide her one, and the design was accentuated by my designer whom has given valuable feedbacks. Lastly, being the kitchen itself, Edmund has helped me to realize the kitchen of my dream, making it bright as well as looking modern, with the use of a colored scheme for the kitchen cabinets as well as a sintered tabletop and backsplash. I would definitely recommend all new and existing homeowners looking to renovate their house to go through Renopedia to look for design concepts. But I must say that Chapter 13, Edmund Goh, is the right choice. Please look for him.
So here's an advice to all the homeowners out there. Communication is the key in order to have a smooth journey throughout your renovation. Secondly, plan ahead and have sufficient time during your design phase, and do let your ID know what your requirements are. Last but not least, do not focus on the problem, focus on the solution. I'm Edmund from Chapter 13 and I'll see you on the next one.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.